All right, so our goal today is to learn about combining like terms. So we want to simplify expressions. So we're going to see really long written out expressions, and we want to shorten them to smaller expressions by combining like terms. We're going to do that by building our expressions using our algebra tiles. So the first thing I want you to write at the top of your board is 4x plus 6 plus 3x minus 2. I want you to write that at the top of your board. Now, I'm going to refresh what these different algebra tiles represent. Okay? This tile, you don't have to write this, represents x squared. The red side represents minus x squared. Okay? The green rod represents just regular x, and the red rod equals minus x. The cream colored ones represent positive 1, and the red one represents negative or minus 1. So anytime we have a minus, we're going to use the red side of our shapes. Okay? So anytime we have that, that's what we're going to do. Okay? All right, so we're going to slide this off to the side. All right, and we're going to build this problem. So I'm going to start with 4x. So I need 4 green x because it's positive. All right, plus 6. So that's positive, right? Mm-hmm. So plus 6. Then I've got plus 3x, so plus 3x minus 2. So minus 2. We want to pair shapes that can go together, that are the same shapes. Okay? So we can slide and move them over if we want to, but we want to combine the things that are the same shapes. So I can move this over here. And how many x's do I have in all?
7.
I have 7 x's. Okay? Then I'm going to move that off to the side so that I know I have 7 x's. Then I've got these 1's. Well, we can pair these two together and they cancel out because this is saying 1 minus 1. Well, what is 1 minus 1? 0. So these actually like cancel each other out and you go, boop, bye. Okay? These can pair up and they disappear. So what are we left with?
4.
4 1's plus 4 1's, right? Now, can we pair these with this?
No.
No. Are they the same shape?
No.
No. So these and this cannot go together. These are not like terms. These are different terms. 7x plus 4. You can't put those together. However, this is equivalent to our initial expression. It's just shorter. We simplified it. We combined things that were the same. Okay? All right, let's build another one. Clear your board.
You know if you put 5 of the 1's on top of one big ball, that equals one big ball? So if this is 7x plus 5, so we would put another ball and make it 8. It's not.
All right. I want you to write down x squared plus 2x minus 4x plus 5 minus 7. You want to make sure you copy the problem down correctly. X squared plus 2x minus 4x plus 5 minus 7. This is a very long one, so we're going to build it. So we have a x squared. This is the first time we get to use our big square. Okay? It's being added, so we use the blue side. It's positive. Now we've got plus 2x. So 2 green bars. So plus 2x. Minus 4x. So minus 4x. Plus 5. So plus 5. Minus 7. So 7 reds. I want you to do it on your own time. So we have x squared plus 2x minus 4x plus 5 minus 7. All right, so we're going to put things together that can go together. Do we have any more of these shapes? No, so he stays by himself. We're going to combine these things. Can we pair anything off?
Yeah.
These will pair, right? So this is saying x minus x, which equals 0, so they cancel out. And then x minus x, they cancel. All right? And then we have this right here. So we try to pair off and cancel out. By, cancel, 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 cancel. So we're left with 2 reds. So how would I write this? X squared
minus negative 5
minus 2x minus, how many ones do I have left? Minus 2. Remember, this represents x squared, this represents x, and this represents 1s. So I've got an x squared minus 2 x's minus 1. Okay? All right. Clear your board. Let's try another one. X squared plus 3x minus 2x minus 3 plus 9. I'm going to do this one with you, and then the next one I want to see if you can do it on your own. So if you're not getting it, you might want to pay attention. So we've got an x squared plus 3x minus 2x minus 3 plus 9. All right, now we're going to start combining things that can go together. So does this have anything that can go with it? No. Okay. Do these have anything that can pair? All right. These can cancel. All right. And then these two cancel, right? So I only have one green X left. And then I've got ones that can cancel. Bam. 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 So how would I write this?
X2 plus 1x minus 6.
X squared. This is positive, so plus X plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
It wouldn't be 1x?
Well, I mean, it is 1X. You can put a 1 in front of it, but you don't have to. It's understood. It's X by itself is just equals 1. All right, so these two are equivalent. We just simplified them. All right, how are we, listen, hey, how are we feeling? Can we do one by ourselves?
Yes.
Let's see. Okay, I want you to just model it by yourself first, okay? So here's your new problem. X squared plus 4x minus 5x minus 7 minus x squared plus 2. I want you to just set it up on your own first. I want you to try and set it up on your own first.
That's a funny one stuff. Do we have to be in order? Do we have to be in order?
Build it in order, and then you can move it around once you build it. Oh, that's right. I forgot. We don't have enough. Here, make this. Sorry. Make this a 3x. Instead of 4x, make it a 3x so that you have enough tiles. Alright, x squared plus 3x minus 5x minus 7 minus x squared plus 2. It's a big old mouthful to say. Hence the reason why we need to simplify it.
My mind hurts.
We have minus 7.
Can I please?
So I should have x squared plus 3 minus 5 minus x squared. Oops, sorry, I forgot my minus 7 first. Minus 7 Alright, now my minus x squared plus 2. Alright, it should look like this when you model it. Okay, now we can move things around, cancel things out that can be canceled. Okay, I'm going to start at the beginning. Is there anything that can cancel or be added to my x squared?
Yes. The other x squared.
The other x squared. These cancel because one's positive and one's negative. And they cancel. So then I move to the next one. All right, these two cancel. These cancel. These cancel. So I'm left with 2 of those.
And you can cancel out the little dots.
All right.
No, just 2.
So I've got these 2 and these 2 that cancel. So what am I left with?
2x.
Not just 2x though.
2x minus 4.
It's red, right? What does red represent?
Minus.
Minus. So it's minus 2x minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's negative 2x minus 5. Okay. I'm going to let you model and build the whole thing this time, and I want you to simplify it on your own, and I'm going to come around and check to see if you did it correctly. So you've got x squared plus 6x minus 2x plus 3 plus 5
What? You made me angry.
All right, I want you to model that and to simplify that on your own. And I'm going to come around and check it. Or I want you to model it. I want you to have it modeled. I'm going to come see you simplify it. Okay? I want to check, make sure you set up your model correctly first.